up, gang? Hold on. Wait, I'm forgetting something. Alright, let's try it again. What's up, gang? Yo, what's going on? It's simply Chrissy. I'm here with an aesthetic apartment tour. I don't know how to start this video, but we're gonna get right into the video because I know what y'all can't really see. I'm about to move out this apartment, so I want to go ahead and get you guys an apartment tour of it. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, I know the washing machine is still going. I just turned this off. Hold on. Yo, what in the world? Is it still going? I hate these washing machines, y'all. Okay, I figured out why it was still going. I was supposed to push it down. But anyway. Okay, back to the tour. So this is what you see when you first walk in my apartment. It's my room over there. So this is actually like a regular day. We have not cleaned off anything. See it from a different angle. But yeah, that's our kitchen. It's a nice, decent size. I live with 3 other roommates. And yeah, so we got our lights going. And we also have a balcony over here. And I don't know why there's a pillow out here. Please do not ask me that. Okay, so the couches came with the apartment. The table came with the apartment. For our TV, it did not come with the apartment. My roommate had to buy it. And then we have a table that came with the apartment. So these bar stool-ish chairs. I don't know if they're bar stool. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're bar stools or not. They're kind of short, but okay, we're gonna go ahead and skip to my room because my roommate started playing music for no reason. So right here, I just have this 6-tier shelf that I got from Amazon with some candles. On my wallet, I had more purses. There's my mother, speaker and stuff. Like I said, candles, my mask, and then my Xbox headphones. Next, I have, and please excuse that mess, but it's literally just from the incense that's burning. Like, I just be burning incense and stuff. Also, follow me or add me on the Xbox. You feel me? I forgot what my thing is though. Oh no, it's SYW space C. No, Big C. Hell yeah, Big C SYW. That's what it is. Big C SYW. And put on the screen. But anywho, that's my Xbox, and then so in that drawer, I have bras, panties, and stuff. This drawer is just like the shirts, regular schmegular shirt. This drawer is, you know, got them dresses and stuff, little sneak peek. I'm not gonna show y'all too much of the drawers, so I feel like that's just like, kind of like my stuff. Y'all gonna see it when y'all see it. And then the bottom drawer is just really pajama pants, shorts, sweatpants, stuff like that. But it's not organized right now, so it's looking crazy. There's my speaker, and then there's the breakfast in bed holder. You feel me? Because your girl's romantic, so you gotta have a little spice in her life. Then I have my like food section. So I have, you know, like your girl eats or your girl cooks, so she gotta have a food section in here. And got that spices, baby. So anywho, if you like me, you like to cook. Next is Marley's house or crib, I guess. He has like a crib inside a crib, so that's really his house, but then he lives in here too, so this is his house too. So shoot, I don't know what to call it. I put a plant in there. This plant is called Marlin, I believe. No, I think that's Sean. I don't even remember the name. Marlin's been growing in here though, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it in there in my water. We have the lips. I got these from Shein. Like these, oh, I love them. It adds like a good touch to the room. Wait, let me back up and actually. Y'all feel how like it's like y'all can't really see it because the light. Maybe I should turn the light off. Okay, y'all can kind of see it better, but this is how like it mixes between the two. And I can also change the color. And there's a better color. I'll change it to one more color. What color y'all want? Hold on, let me guess. Okay, I put it on red, so I think I guessed right. Let's go back over here. Like I said, food stuff and plant stuff and Marley stuff. Then I have another food thing, because like I said, your girl like to eat. Plus, I also like the convenience of having a microwave in here and a fridge, which stays stocked up on drinks and snacks, y'all feel me? Then we have this wall right here, which is basically, I wanted to do something with it because it was blank. And so I decided to put like these big leaves that came with those vines. All that stuff is from Amazon. All that stuff was like $13, literally. Just look up official leaves, vines, and figure out which ones you want. But then I got this cork board from Dollar Tree for like $1. I made the goalless, that globe. I got that from Burlington Coat Factory, lamp. And these jars, I like to reuse and recycle jars. So I thought this was like the best and perfect idea for like my pencils and like, you know, different colors and stuff. Shit. It was the food I'm about to eat because boy, Tokyo Grill already knows what is going on. And this man, I know y'all can barely see him, but he over here acting stupid. Gotta put yourself down, boy. Anywho, this is the overview of my desk. I like to have like a lot of journals and stuff, but I have a bag that I put that in that actually fell over right there. Here's my bed. Looking a little unneat, but shoot, y'all get that. Y'all get the gist of it. Like I said, these lights came from Amazon as well. Most of this stuff came from Amazon or Walmart, like I said. And I put them all the way around the bed. Yes, I did that. Then I have my tapestry with some more vines over it. I got this tapestry from a girl on Facebook Marketplace for $8. Okay, do you see how big it is? Boy, hold on, let me stand outside. Do you see how big it is, boy? Like biggity biggity. You feel me? Like, hold on. You feel me? Like, okay, oh God. But right now, just for today, I put my purse over here. This coat rack, I got the rack from Walmart, like $8. Wasn't bad at all. I have my closet. The string lights came from Amazon, like $12. That basket right there that you see, Five and Below. Purse, you know, some clothes and stuff, some shoes. And then the last couple things, I have this chair I got from this girl for like $5 literally off of Facebook Marketplace. And I went through a thorough cleaning. And then I have my mirror. Plus the ring light, y'all see a ring light in the way. But anywho, yes. Anywho, thank you guys for checking out our video. This is our room tour, me and Marley. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I have another apartment I moved into, so I might be showing another room tour or the process of me getting that room together. And then in August, I'll be moving in to another apartment. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Again, we appreciate you for checking out this video. Peace. If you are not subscribed yet, literally, like, what are you doing? Because we are only coming out with gems. I upload at least twice a week, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you have the post notifications turned on, so you will be notified the next time I have an upload. Okay, have a good day.